going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be installing a recharge system around this pool, but this one isn't as complicated as my last one, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. For this recharge system, I'm going to be having it going from the corner of the fence over there all the way down to this corner. I only have to be at least 9 inches wide and 12 inches deep. I don't have to end up putting wood down and everything for the blockouts because we don't have as much slope as I did on this system, so that's why this system has wood everywhere. So let's get digging. And here we go. We have the recharge system all dug out now. Everything is how it should be. The requirements for this system was a minimum of 9 inches across, which we are about 13, 14, and it had to be a minimum of 1 foot deep, which we are 14 inches deep, so we are well past the requirements of this system. So time to filter cloth, get rocking. Over there in the beginning, closer to the pump, I'm going to be adding in a little extra a pipe, so that way that when the customer goes ahead and backwash his pool, it'll go straight directly into the recharge system and stay in his yard. Now let's get to it. And here we go. Now we are rocking it. It's all filter clothed, and I'm putting an extra piece of pipe in here so that way he'll have it available to use for his backwash from the pool. And here's the finished product. The French drain, aka recharge system, around the pool is completed, and I even left it so a little bit of room so that they can go ahead and put decorative stone on top. Usually people use river rock 2 to 4 inches, so that way it looks better, because who wants to look at gray stone? Nobody. So yeah, now they can go ahead and do whatever they want with their landscaping, and then just put the river rock on top for the decorative rock, and that way the system will be 100% effective. And again, I put in a pipe here so that way when he wants to backflow his pool, he can go ahead and just stick the flex line inside there and backflow and have it run into the recharge system instead of trying to run it all the way out to the street. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one,